My name is Noelani Pantastico, and I am a principal dancer with Pacific Northwest Ballet. Yes, so my history with George Balanchine's Nutcracker goes back, I think, to when I was about 11 years old, 10 or 11 years old. And I was a Paula Chanel in the second act. That was at Central Pennsylvania Youth Ballet. From then on, it's been a part of my evolution as a child into a teenager, and then now into an adult, yeah. It seems kind of obvious, but I would say Sugar Plum is my favorite thing to dance. And that's just, I think, being a mature dancer at this point, anyway, in my career. For this production, she's really the color of a plum. And she has two different costumes. At the beginning of second act, she wears a longer romantic tutu, and then I guess you could say she kind of evolves through the second act as well, and when she does the big pas de deux with the cavalier, she's in your more traditional ballet tutu. Yeah, maybe the music gets stuck in my head, but I don't mind it. I hear that a lot, like people get sick of it and oh my gosh, how do you do it for 40 shows? But for me, it just never gets old, and the fact that I do several different parts in it, I can always be better in each role that I do, and I have several chances to do that, you know, so why not make the most of every time I'm on stage? And also, I know that there are kids watching, families watching, and you want to stamp that in their brain, like this beautiful memory. Oh yeah, I get nervous before shows, but I think you should. One shouldn't be too relaxed going on stage. That you should always demand to be better each time you step on stage. So I'm nervous for myself, like if I can do it, and then I'm nervous if the audience appreciates it or not. But that's what makes you a good artist, I think. You have to be humble and give all that you can on the stage.